Hello everyone, I'm at Mr. Arno, and today my objective is to show you how you can organize your Google Drive with just two magical buttons, the Shift and the Z. So with that, let's get started. If you're anything like me, your Google Drive probably has a million things in it. I go to my recent to see what I've just worked on quite a bit. I also go up to the search window up here and then even dig in further by certain parameters to find what it is I'm looking for. But today I've got another strategy for you in the organization of your Google Drive. So when I go to my recent files again, here is a spreadsheet that I want to place in multiple spots without making a copy of it. So how I would do that is I would click on the spreadsheet, and on my keyboard I'm going to hit Shift Z. When I hit Shift Z, I have other places that I can actually put this document. So I'm going to go into my drive. I've got three folders for today's demonstration. I've got demo folder 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to put this file into the first folder, and I'm also going to put it in folder number 2. So I'm hitting Shift Z again, and I'm going to go to my drive and then find demo folder number 2. And add it. So at this point, I've got 3 demo folders. I should see that spreadsheet in the first one, which I do, and then it will also exist in demo folder 2. Now, if I come across and want to delete this, because I'm the author of it, when I delete it, it's going to delete it out of every other spot that it exists. So I can right click and remove, and when I remove it from demo folder 2, you'll notice that when I go back to demo folder number 1, it will be gone from there as well. So it does not show. Now, in the case of a file that is in a shared folder, so here I have a document that exists in demo folder 3 and demo folder 1. If I'm the author of it, it will stay in the places that I have placed it. But if I am the other person that the document was shared with, so in this case, this is person number 2 that this one was shared with, if they go in and they remove it from a shared folder, you'll notice demo folder 3 is now empty. And when I go back to the original person's demo folder number 3, that will not exist in that location either. Now, another way that you can tell if something is in multiple places would be to actually look in the details of an item. So if I have a document that's in multiple places, which I need to add at this point, so I'm going to go Shift Z, I'm going to add it somewhere really quickly, and then show you how to tell where all of the locations are that would exist. So I'm putting it in demo folder number 2 also, or maybe I just need to do in all of them. I have to double click it. That's what I didn't do. And now I can add it. But the other feature that I wanted to show you was once you're actually in that file, if I right click on it and go to view details, now I can actually see where it exists by going over to the details of this one. So when I go to details, it should show me exactly where it exists. So the location of this file is in demo folder 3 and demo folder 1. And if I wanted to take it out of one or either of those, I can just click on the X and then it goes away from that specific location. So Shift Z, it can be your best friend in organizing your Google Drive. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, hit me up on Twitter at Mr. Arnold.